using Titi Toria, aka Rako, aka Go Give Me the Stick, aka Primus Radiata. Titi Toria we use way back for our young children, and they actually use new names. The idea behind Titi Toria was actually using hand-eye coordination. As they actually became more confidence with the beat and with the song, the beat becomes faster and the moves become more complex. The group here has actually been working on some movements, and here is a warning. Always watch where the rākau comes from, not where it goes to. So, Titi Toria, back then were the Xbox 360. These were the Nintendo, the iPods. And it was actually done by Tamariki. Anei Tamariki Nunui, mo te wāka Titi Toria.